pretty long walk. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Fei Liu from the GSESS. And today I'm very glad to have a chance to do a presentation here. And everyone have a bag beside you, and we have one catalog. Can you find that? And most of our products, we have the details in this catalog. Today, I want to talk something which are not in the catalog, which something I want to exchange with you guys. And according to the last topic as the ROI, and the gentleman was mentioned there was a shift. The shift is from the single-phase low-voltage residential system to the CNI high-voltage system. And this shift is very quickly. I think a lot of the EPC, they just also under the shifting from the residential to the commercial system. And also probably we are on another shift, because used to we talk about a solar system, we want to against the load shedding. Now, after the new government set up, and we also wondering when the load shedding will come again. Probably it will come very soon, probably it will change, maybe not so often as before. So we may be on another shifting from the against the load shedding to the real value of the solar system, invest value. That was exactly what we talked the last topic about the ROA. And so as a Chinese company, and we all know that most solar technologies come from China. And so how we facing this challenge? And how we face this trade? How we can play an important role in the South African energy industry? Honestly speaking, this is also a challenge for us. And we used to consider about is a residential market. And last year, we know the first half year, all the people was talking about a battery, inverter, stock, shipment. But all of a sudden, all changed. And then we hear less people, more and more people talking about the commercial system. As we also hear about then when we come to the financial system, and the people would like to apply the new technology and the whole system. So, and as a Chinese company, and we must to follow this trend. Today, I want to mainly talking about the two products. One product is the low voltage battery. Another product is a commercial all-in-one system. By the way, I would like to give the short introduction about my company. And we are the GSESS. We are a subsidiary company of the Rayzon Energy. Rayzon Energy is one of the biggest tier 1 solar panel manufacturer globally. And this afternoon, my colleague from Rayzon Energy will do the presentation for us. And we are mainly focused for the residential battery and CNI EMS system. And we have our fully automatic production line and all the testing line to ensure the product quality. And our annual production capacity is 6 gigawatt hour. And this is all our production line. It's come from the residential system to the commercial system. And we also have some custom-made product. And one of the interesting product, that is a key component of the commercial system. That is a liquid cooling system. And later, I will give us a short introduction of this interesting product. And in order to guarantee our product quality, we use the world-famous brand's components. And this is our inverter range. And this is a low-voltage inverter, a single-phase high-voltage inverter, three-phase inverter. Now our three-phase inverter, we have 15 to 25 kilowatt hybrid system. And this is off-grid inverter. And this is our residential battery family. And here, this product, I want to pay a little time to introduce it. Now, currently, we have stock is this one, 5.12 kilowatt hours. It applies the wrapped A-grade cell. We provide, it can support 1C discharge and charge rate. But in order to keep the battery life, we recommend 1C discharge and 0.5C charge rate. And we use the smart BMS. It can automatically recognize the master unit and the slave unit when it comes to the parallel. It can maximum 16 units in parallel, that are more than 90 kilowatt hours. And except our own inverter, it also compatible with Deere, Sunsync, Growatt, Lux Power, and other inverter. And we give 10 years or 6,000 cycle warranty. And now this product is on promotion. And if you're interested after this meeting, welcome to talk with me. I will give you the special discount within this month and the next month. And also we have this stackable low voltage battery. If you install it in-house, it looks nice, like a beautiful furniture. And this is a high voltage battery system. And this one can maximum to 20 kilowatt hours. And this maximum to the 18 kilowatt hours, 5 unit. And the max, plus we can in cluster 5 unit in serial, then another 5 unit in parallel. It can reach 93 kilowatt hours. And this is the EV charge for the residential house. And here is the commercial and industrial all-in-one system. This is a 50 kilowatt to 115 kilowatt hours. This is a fan cooling system. And this one is much bigger. It's 125 kilowatt plus 233 kilowatt hours. But this is different. This is use the liquid cooling system. And this one is all-in-one system. It's included grid-tied inverter, PCs, battery, STS, EMS, bi-distinguished system, liquid cooling system. And we use the A-grade cell from the EVE or the RAT. And we give the 5 years warranty of the battery. And another standard product, we give 2 years. And we have the black start of function. And it is easy for the installation and commissioning because the inside, all the cable, all the commissioning, and this work we are done in the manufacturer. So once it printed in the site, it's easy for the installation and the communication. There are 4 units can be in the parallel. And some people may, because market also have other one, that is PCS plus the battery. We can add the on-grid inverter, but there we need to do one thing, because on-grid inverter, if you use a different brand, they need to open the communication protocol to talk with the EMS. Otherwise, it's inside will be difficult to communication. So that one we need to pay attention. And one thing very interesting, because you see, actually some very famous brand which did quite good in the other market, for example, European market, American market, and they have very good sale standard product. They thought, if I sell the same product in South African market, it definitely works. But the reality was different, because South Africa environment is a little different, even much more harsh. You see, when load shedding coming, we need on-grid, off-grid switch automatically, seamless, with full load. So that is quite different. And even some need less than 20 milliseconds. So that is quite a different situation in South Africa. Even one day more than one full cycle, probably two even more. So that is a totally different situation. So one of my local EPC partners shared something with me. He said, actually, they are very carefully to select the brand to cooperate with, because they used to make a mistake. It's very costly to fix it. And I think here, what you need is not only product. You need a solution. Probably we need to get involved from beginning, from the project design, to recommend the product combination, then to assist the installation, commissioning, training, take good care of the volunteer service. Even sometimes we can discuss about to extend the volunteer, to add the slightly more money. So all this we can do. And another thing is that we know now other people also talking about the financial model, finance support. And luckily, we also have some good connection with the Chinese fund. They are looking for some good project to work together. So hopefully, my short presentation can give you a little idea about who we are, what we are doing here. And hopefully we can also contribute a small contribution to the South Africa energy transition. Thank you, that's all. And after this meeting, hopefully, if you are interested, warmly welcome to me. Thank you.
Thank you very